Show you how to set up the Recaptcha. So the Recaptcha is not showing on the front end when you go to like connect clients, and it's like, boo, not working. So what you do is you go to Gravity Forms settings. Well, now, actually what you want to do is click with Elementor, go to the form, and make sure that it's Gravity Forms. So all I did here was click that, edit global widget, and there's the employer's form on Gravity Forms. So just make sure of that first. Then you go to Forms, Settings, Recaptcha, and boom, you got this. So you right click on Recaptcha, it opens this, hit V3, Admin Console, make sure you're logged in with the right account. Then you're going to hit the plus sign. This is going to be People Suite. We're going to do V2, I'm not a robot checkbox. And then here's what I want you to make sure you do. You're going to grab, let me close some of these. Grab the domain for WP Engine, hit enter, okay? And you are also going to enter peoplesuite.com. Let me grab that. Oops. And you want to make sure the live domain is in there as well. So then hit enter. When we you want to make sure the WP Engine and the live is in there, so when we launch the site, the CAPTCHA doesn't break. Okay? Accept, don't send alerts, boom, submit. You got this copy site key, go back here, boom, copy secret, go back here to the Recaptcha on Gravity Forms, boom, it'll say click this box. Yay. Maybe not. Yay. When you got the checkbox, hit save settings, and you're done. So now, when we go back here and click view page, boom, Recaptcha fixed. And that should be on all Gravity Forms. So if it wasn't on the candidates page or join our team or whatever, if there's a form somewhere else, free employer consults, yeah, CAPTCHA's fixed. So that applies, fixing it here in the settings applies to anywhere that CAPTCHA shows up on any forms all over the website, because we had to authorize the domain in the Recaptcha area. So we authorized that domain and the live domain. Bob's your uncle, and we're done.